Hey guys, this is Reena Saxena back again with Weekends Well Spent Creating Wealth. All you need to do here is think, write, and share, and wait for wonderful things to happen. Our topic this week is estate planning mindset. Your money, where will it ultimately go? What exactly is estate planning? It is a series of preparatory tasks done to ensure proper distribution of your assets after you. Writing a will is just one part of estate planning. One needs to resolve all issues of ownership, debt, and possible conflicts before that. A will is not as simple as listing all assets, beneficiaries, and making a proportionate allocation. It is not a match the following exercise. Let a forethought be at the back of your mind. It is more than a mechanism for transfer of assets. A will is a summation statement of your life. Have you written an elevator pitch or an epitaph? The final words that go on that stone in the graveyard? It compels you to define your identity, distills your values, and your offering to the world in a few words. It compels a process of thought. Let me give you 2 tips about safeguarding the financial interest of your spouse other than writing a will. Most of you must have made a nomination in your bank accounts and thought the task is done. The law recognizes the nominee only as a trustee and not as the final beneficiary of the assets. The legal heir's interest will always supersede that of the nominee, and the nominee will have to transfer the assets to the legal heir's name. There is a small trick to get around that. You can open accounts with a former or survivor tag. In this case, as long as you are alive, the money remains yours. And after you, the money goes to the survivor. The survivor's rights are more than that of a nominee. All insurance policies have a clause of Married Women's Property Act, which you need to ask the agent while buying a policy. Under Section 6 of this MWPA 1874, the assets under this insurance policy cannot be claimed by any debtor after your death. This is important for those who are in business or those who are heavily indebted in the market. What stops you from writing a will? I have made nominations in all accounts and the house is held in joint names. I do not want to incur a cost for uncertainty. I'm not ready to make it all public. I don't want to run behind lawyers and financial planners. I'm too young or healthy to think about it. Come on. My assets will change. There's a long way to go. My relationships may change. Nothing is forever. I'm not a Tata Ambani. What drives you when you earn money? Why do you earn money? What do you spend it on? There's a saying, show me where you spend your money and I'll tell you what your value system is. What do you invest your money in? What kind of assets are those? Liquid, illiquid, long term, short term? What is your biggest ambition in life? What is your major concern about your assets or your relationships? What will your epitaph say? Here lies someone who was wealthy, fair to all, lived for a cause, or something else? Think about it. How will your survivors react to the will? Will the outside world see synchronicity between what you stand for today and what reflects in your will? If it is possible to meet the stakeholders after death, will you be able to justify the distribution you did? List out everything. And that is not just cash, bank deposits, stocks, bonds, debentures, real estate, metals and jewelry, vehicles. Include the household items, include all the precious items of sentimental value. Check the nominations in your insurance policies and all the clauses in the insurance policy. There are 4 parties to a will: the maker, that is you; beneficiaries, your kith and kin, or whoever stands to benefit from your will; executors. This is optional, but this person is the implementer of your will. Challengers, those who say the will is fake, manipulated, or unfair and file a suit against it. The whole purpose of writing a will well is to avoid this species from coming into existence, is to prevent any challenges to the will when you are no more. You will find a link in the comments somewhere to an ebook, The Future of Your Money. It sets your mindset before you start writing a will. It is a free ebook. Do click on the link and download it. There is yet another link given there. Leave a legacy for a willful life. This is the key to a full-scale online learning course, which will tell you everything about writing a will, and you need not approach a lawyer or financial planner for the same. You have lived your life well. Wrap it up correctly. All the best. Thank you.